Alright, so here's that extended video for how to draw leaves. So I'm drawing the skeleton of the tree like I've done in a past demo. And once you've got that, it's time to look at the leaves in general. So I think the confusing thing about adding leaves to a tree is that it feels like you need to draw individual leaves when you don't. You want to think about the leaves being kind of grouped together. So I'm doing that, and then I'm also kind of shading everything in kind of like a middle gray and using rounded or kind of scribbly pencil marks because that helps indicate some of the movement of the leaves. Everything kind of has a little bit more sway to it. So I'm getting everything a middle gray, adding a little bit more detail to the branches, and then you can go in and start doing the shadows and highlights. So once you've got everything a mid-tone, it just keeps everything general, and then the shadows and the highlights are what make everything pop. So once that is added in, you can even use an eraser. You'll see here I'm erasing around the outside of the tree and erasing some little marks out to indicate the sky in the background. So that adds a touch of realism as well. I like to take the photo and make it black and white. Like even if you're outside drawing from life, doing that will really help you if you're struggling to see the highlights and shadows as you get closer to the finished part of your drawing. So now I'm adding a shadow in for some realism, and there it is, about a 20-minute drawing of a tree.